Hey everyone, welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use this website, the Deltek Timesheet. So if you are new to Deltek, this guide will walk you through the basics of logging in, entering your time, and submitting your timesheet. So first guys, is you need to open your web browser and then go to your company's Deltek login page. And there, you need to enter your username and then the password. And then if you are new here, you can contact them, and then there you need to contact your administrator to have an access on your account. So here guys, once logged in, you will see the Deltek dashboard, and then look for the time or timesheet tab and then click on it. This will take you to your current timesheet. So here, to enter your time, you need to select the correct project or task from the drop-down list, and then there, input the number of hours you worked for each day of the week, and then make sure guys you follow your company's guidelines for the time entry. Because some companies guys require you to add comments for certain entries. If needed, click on the comment section and provide a brief description of your work. So once you've entered your time, you need to click save to ensure your data is recorded, and then if everything looks good, you can click submit to send your timesheet for approval. So if you need to make changes before submission guys, simply go back to your timesheet and then adjust the necessary entries and then save your changes. And if your timesheet has already been submitted, you may need to contact your manager or the HR to unlock it for the edits. So to check the status of your timesheet, you need to navigate back to the timesheet page and look for the approval status. And if it is pending, it's waiting for approval. And if it's approved, you are all set. So as you can see here, I am exploring this site. So they have here their CRM and then the proposal management. And they also have here their time tracking. And here. So let's try to go here. So you can watch a video here guys, so to have a better understanding for this one, so don't worry. So they also have here their AI-powered business companion. So you can see here. So you can go here and then log in. So you can try to go to the support center for a clarification. And that's it guys for our Deltek timesheet tutorial. We hope this guide helped you understand how to log your time efficiently. And if you have any question, feel free to check your company's help resources or ask your manager. And of course guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. And thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!